Hi, I'm Sara, and this is how I turned my Ford Escape into a camper for under $300. I first laid the seats down and bought 2 cushions from Walmart for 20 bucks. I then got a 2x4 cube shelf from Walmart for $70, and I laid it in flat so the cubes were facing up. Then at Home Depot, I bought a $3 piece of plywood to lay down to make the bed. I put the cushions on top, and voila, I have storage under here and then the bed up here. I bought some hanging lights for $8 at Marshall's and a rug at Marshall's for $24, as well as some window covers. Here are some other necessities. I found the tape measure was the most helpful. I bought a small cooler as well as a candle for warmth and light, and a $30 shelf from Marshall's for storage. I also bought a tray for $15 at a thrift store for cooking and eating that fits well in the front seat. And here is the final result. If you'd like to see me live in this for 6 months, go ahead and give me a like and follow, and I hope to see you on the road. Thanks for watching.